Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw MATIC from Bitrue to Gemini in 2025. If you're holding MATIC on Bitrue and want to move it over to Gemini for better management or trading, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. It's quick, easy, and I'll walk you through it to avoid any common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Gemini. You'll need MATIC in your Bitrue wallet and the exact wallet address from Gemini ready to go. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so double-check everything to keep your assets safe. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your MATIC balance. Click on Withdraw next to MATIC. By 2025, Bitrue might have updated interfaces, but it should still be straightforward. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to select the MATIC network, probably Polygon or Ethereum, depending on what's available. Paste your Gemini wallet address carefully, specify the amount you want to withdraw, and check any fees involved. Bitrue usually displays estimated fees up front, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 3. Review and confirm. Double-check the address, amount, and network to ensure accuracy. Once you're good, hit confirm and complete any two-factor authentication if required. Your transaction will then be processed. Times can vary, but it's often just a few minutes. After that, hop over to your Gemini account and check your wallet. You should see the MATIC deposited soon. Pro tip: always use the correct network for MATIC to prevent lost funds, and consider the market volatility before moving assets. There you have it. That's how to withdraw MATIC from Bitrue to Gemini in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.